To export this back to Premiere Pro, come down here to Deliver and select Deliver. Come over to this Render Settings tab over here and select this slider and slide it until you can find Premiere Pro XML. Select Premiere XML and browse the location where you want this to be saved and hit Select Folder. Select Add to Render Queue, and this is going to create a Render Queue tab over here, and select Render All. And once this is completed, you can see over here completed in 0.000 seconds. All you need to do is to go over to Premiere Pro and create a new bin and call this DaVinci Export. I'm going to double tap on this tab to open the folder over here. Come over to File and scroll down and select Import. And I'm going to go to the folder where I have my export. So I'm going to select the Premiere Pro Export 3 timeline over here and hit Open. And automatically this has been added into Premiere Pro. Come over to this sequence over here and double tap on this sequence and you can see that it has been imported back to Premiere Pro.